A future action in the past, a polite request to offer something, to express some conditional action, to refuse something, and to talk about past habits. For all these purposes, the modal verb would is used in spoken English sentences. Future action in the past can be like, I thought he would help me. She said she would go to the market. So when we say I thought or she said, obviously we are talking in past tense. But remaining in this past tense when we talk about the future, then the modal verb would helps to express the action. So in the first sentence, the past action is thought and the future action which was being talked in that past is about helping me. In the second sentence, she said is in the past tense. Now she said what? That she would go to the market, which is the future action in the past expressed with the help of the modal verb would. Okay. Next, all these sentences starting with would expresses some kind of request made by the speaker. Now, a request refers to something that we ask someone to do for us, or when we ask someone to help us in some particular work. Like, would you lend me your book please? Would you help me to solve the sum please? Would you pass me the book please? Would you close the window please? So like this, we can express many more sentences with different types of requests with the help of the modal verb would. Next, an offer or a suggestion is also expressed with the help of the modal verb would. For example, would you like to accompany me to the party? Here in this sentence, the speaker is giving an offer or suggesting something to some person if he or she will be interested in going to the party with the speaker. Next example, I would like to come to your house for discussing the project. Here also, the speaker is giving an offer or a suggestion about coming to someone's home for discussing the project. Next, would is also used to express a conditional action. Now, what is a conditional action? It is an action which depends on a particular condition. Now, that particular condition is nothing but only another action. Let us understand with the help of examples, okay? If I were a flower, I would talk to the butterflies. Now, which action is the conditional action in this sentence? Yes, it is talking to the butterflies, which depends on the condition that the speaker is a flower. Similarly, if I broke the dish, mother would be angry. So, mother would be angry if the dish is broken by me. I hope this is clear. Next use of would is refusal. Refusal means simply to refuse something to do. And we do it when we are unwilling to do something. But since this refusal carries a negative sense, the form of would will be wouldn't. That is would plus not wouldn't. Okay? Examples. They invited me to the party, but I wouldn't go. Mother wouldn't allow me to go out now. Lastly, we have our past habits, which can also be expressed with the help of the modal verb would. By past habits, we mean the habits or activities which we used to do in the past. Examples. When I was a student, I would go to the library every Sunday. Next, he would watch cartoons regularly when he was a kid. That was all about how we can use modal verb